Hi, my name is Caroline Mannion.
And I'm Kevon Turner. Welcome to Villanova University. This tour will help to get you acquainted with our beautiful campus that's always growing and changing. We can't wait to show you around.
Villanova University was founded in 1842 by the Order of Saint Augustine. The Catholic values and intellectual tradition of the Augustinians form the cornerstone of our academic community.
Villanovans think critically, act compassionately, and succeed while serving others. You will see it in action when you meet our students, faculty, and staff. There are more than 10,000 undergraduate, graduate, and law students in the university's 6 colleges, including our newest, the College of Professional Studies, which serves the needs of adult learners.
The virtual experience is pretty great. I encourage you to jump in, like I did. Take a virtual tour of campus and watch commentary videos from students and faculty. Don't forget to visit us on campus. Be sure to sign up for a Blue Key tour at visit.villanova.edu.